Ever wanted a little extra airflow for your L300, folks? Well, we've got the solution for you right here. Slider windows with super premium weather stripping all the way around. That felt strip is gonna make it to where they don't whistle. No moisture is coming in. Right now, we've got a tutorial video on how to install, and if you want us to do it for you, we can do it right here in Sun Valley, Idaho. So you're gonna need a few tools, folks, to get this job done. I'll tell you what, it's real simple stuff, right? You've got a screw gun here with a Phillips head screwdriver. You're gonna need some window cleaner because you're gonna be spraying this mixture of Dawn dish soap and H2O onto the trim. And of course, a little bit of soaked string right here. It doesn't look very pretty, but it's gonna help you pull the gasket around the window. All right, so let's take off these covers over the top of the screws here. 1, 2, 3. Those guys are out of the way. There's basically 2 Phillips there, 2 Phillips here. Wolfie, if you put your hands on top of the window there just so she doesn't fall out. There's your 4 screws. Should come out pretty easily. Stripping, folks. We're gonna take some Dawn dish soap and H2O here, real thick on the Dawn, and actually fill in this void here. This is where the seal is gonna be on the window. So this is actually gonna fit over the edge of the metal trim. I'll show you here in a second. So just load this guy up. That'll flow all the way down in here. This is that metal rib I was talking about that the weather stripping is gonna sit around. So Wolfie's gonna help me clean this puppy up real quick. Okay, same solution here, H2O and Dawn. I'm just gonna take that and actually go through the center of this line for the weather stripping, right? We're gonna do this all the way around the window. And this is gonna help us in the install process by Wolfie's gonna push this up against the frame, and then I'm gonna pull the string out, and it's going to set the weather stripping over the top of the flange. Bring the string line just inside one of these corners so that you can start and actually pull out and set corner number 1. The straight areas are gonna be easy, the corners are gonna be the hard part. We're gonna set the lower set of weather stripping on top of the flange here. I am gonna give a little bit of a spray here. All right, just on dish up, not gonna hurt anything. Spray over your teammate's hand and try not to hit his eyes as you go around the corner. Trying to make it so there's no friction, right? We want this to be able to pull easily over the edge. Let's see if we can't set this lower section here, Wolfie. There we go. So that's set in pretty well there. And it's starting to bind up over here in this corner. So I'm just gonna ask my assistant to push down on the window. I'm gonna pull myself. There we go. I'm gonna yank here. And that's gonna pull this section of weather stripping upward. After this lower section of weather stripping is set, I'm actually gonna pull this out, right? Okay, pretty nice there. I'm gonna stop before the corner. I'm gonna tie this guy down low. All right, and that's gonna make it to where when I pull this string, I don't just yank all the string line out of the weather stripping area. Setting that lower end, nice. And we're looking like we're pretty well lined up with the edge coming around here. So I'm gonna start on the front right corner, right? He's got pressure on the window inward on that lower corner. Pull till the slack comes out, and then here we go. You can see that the weather stripping is coming up and out. There we go. Very nice. Okay, Wolfie's breaking a sweat here. We're coming around into the final corner, pulling down, flexing the core. Looks like it's gonna come around real nice. We've got about 1/8 of an inch over the inside of the flange. 3, 2, 1. Don't want to pull too hard or we'll break the actual weather stripping itself. I'm gonna pull in like this. Let's see if we can get it. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Nice one. Looks good. Straightaways are easy. Final corner here, folks. Oh yeah. Like butter. Rounding the 4th corner. Wham bam diggity right there. You're gonna tuck all this in with a little bit of a minor tool there. Flex her around, pull her in like that. See how that weather stripping just tucked up in there real nice? Here we go, I'm gonna slide this window open. Right, pull in like that. And you can see that it's seating nicely into the top. Very nice, there you have it. That's the hard section. And if you look down, you can see that there is a bit of, what do you call that, Wolfie? Like a
It's
fluffy,
a felt window gasket.
a felt window gasket there. And that is what this window slides on. Unlike some of the competitors' windows. We took the extra time to put that in so there's no rattle and it doesn't leak any air. There we go, sealed up properly, folks, Nomadic van style. We can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. Come see us, get a tune up, throw some windows in. Extra airflow is what everybody wants. Visit nomadicvan.life for more details. Thank you.